What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Hey, look up here. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. Look over here. Oh, there's one up there too. Oh, there's another one. There's one up there too. He's drinking some water. There's two of them, huh? Two? Two? Is there more? Are they mean? Will they attack you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Pretty cool.
Not good monkey here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, be careful.
Oh, okay. Thanks, man. Thanks for telling me. Oh, they know you, huh? They know you. They're like, oh, there's the police. The monkey police. What's up, buddy? He said they're not that nice. He said be careful. Because yeah, you never know. That one, I wasn't sure if he was on scratch. You know, one little scratch, it could get you infected with something.
Be very mean, I'm sure.
The guy said they weren't nice. So.
When I was a kid in India, I almost lost my eyes. I'm sure my dad
Really?
just grabbed me at the last minute because
Oh
I came up to a monkey and I was small.
Yeah.
And he just went.
Yeah, well, I was thinking too. I was like, you know what? This is kind of stupid. I shouldn't get too close. I don't know the thing. They could be, yeah, mean. And he did come at me, so I'm glad. We are dumb sometimes as people, aren't we? We want to get so close to stuff and just, you know, take pictures. But yeah, you never know. They seem nice, but one wrong scratch and you can get a little disease. It wouldn't be good. He's got a little plate of food over there. What's up with you, bud? Look at this. There's two of them. All right. Have a good day, brother.
You too.
Have a good day, man. Yep. Oh, you can pay for a blessing. Imagine that. You can pay for a blessing. Well, I guess I should have said that. There's nothing wrong with getting a donation. But the more I've learned about monks, is money's not part of their deal. But yeah, everything's different these days. Wow, this is amazing, man. This is amazing. What else is interesting to me is like nobody does this stuff anymore. What happened? Why aren't we still building stuff like this? You know, with this detail and grandeur and beauty. Why not? Because we can't. There's equipment. Professional engineers will tell you right now, this is not a joke or lie, guys. Y'all can look this up. We do not have the machinery today. The greatest places, you know, like America, Germany, some of the most engineering masters of the world, we have no equipment on the planet today that can lift these rocks. So we can't do what they did. So that's something to think about. I think they really use hundreds of elephants, hundreds of people to drag this stuff around to do this. Yeah. Good theories. Read the Book of Enoch. Explains it all. You can imagine what this looks like polished every day. Can I touch it? Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. I can imagine when this was polished every morning, every day. Wow, this must have looked beautiful. I can imagine the whole place was like that probably. This whole building, inside and out, was probably polished, shiny, beautiful, just amazing. But so far, all the stories I've seen have just been like war stories. So hopefully we'll see some other kind of stories, maybe.
They have the chariot. This is the Cambodia. We don't have the many horse. But this is the story from Hindu we call Mahabharata. And you see the fighting between the two families. So the family named Pandava. They have 5 brothers, and they are very good family. So they marching up the army from different direction and to join the middle panel in the war. This is fighting. This is a battlefield. So 100 brother family they come from the north. So they join here. Yeah. So.
Sir, can I ask you a question? Excuse me, I'm sorry. Something to ask you a question. These are. Do you think that's scale? Like some of these guys are really big compared to the horse. Some of them are small. Do you think that's the actual size they were?
No. This is it depends on the general military.
You know what I mean? Like this guy's a really big guy. He's almost as big as the elephant. So do you think he was really that big back then, or they just drew it like that?
Yeah.
Because some people believe they were really that big. You know. Just curious what you know.
Yeah, I'm not sure about this.
Okay.
It might be,
okay.
Yeah, some people also same thing. Like some people high, some people.
Yeah, right. Okay, but I didn't mean to interrupt your tour or whatever. But thank you. Y'all come. Okay, there are some different stories here that aren't all fighting and war. Oh, this looks like some daily life stuff. Hey, can I ask you a question? Some of these You know, but, oh, they're monkeys. But they look like people.
Monkey soldier.
Oh, okay. You think they were real? Thanks, man.